Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set pattern lock in Realme phone. So to start, you will need to launch settings. Onwards, enter the password and security category. In here, tap at the lock screen password. Then once the continue button becomes active, you will need to tap it, then choose the select the pattern from the password type list over here. Then simply draw the pattern that you would like to use, then redraw it to confirm. And that will be it. Now in order to unlock the screen of your Realme phone, you will need to enter, or well, rather draw the pattern already. So that would be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.